Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video. Now, even before I start this video, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Yesterday, I hit 100,000 subscribers. It has been a long journey and really hard work to get there, and thank you guys for subscribing and helping me reach 100,000 subscribers. So in today's video, I will show you guys some pretty awesome widgets that you can get on your iPhone, and some of them are really useful as well. So let's get started with the first one. The first one is called System Service, and it will show you information regarding your device. So right here we'll have your external IP address, your local IP address, and if you tap here on show more, it will show you even more details of your device. It will show you the disk space right here, so it will show you the free disk space, the used one, and also the total disk space that you have on your iPhone. So pretty awesome and very useful as well to have all these informations about your device on the widgets panel. And also you will have this bar right here which will show you the usage of the memory of your iPhone. The next app is called Widget, and it has 3 different widgets. So you can see all 3 of them right here. So you will have one with an analog clock. It's pretty awesome. The other one will be the battery. This is pretty cool as well. It will show you your battery here and how much time do you have left to use your battery. So it will show you the browsing time right here and the call time right there. So it's pretty awesome. Also, there's another one, the calendar one, which shows you the calendar. So you can enable all of them, or of course each of them, whichever one you like. Next is a pretty cool one called Tweety. What it does is that it will show you your Twitter timeline right here on the widgets page. So you don't even need to open the Twitter app to show your timeline right here. So you can see all the tweets right here, and you can choose how many of them you want to see right here on the widgets page. So you just go to the app that offers this widget, which is called Tweety, of course, and you will have 2 different ones. So you can set up 2 different accounts, and you can choose here how many tweets you want to see, and also the update time right here, different theme, and also you can enable a dark mode right here. And when you click on a tweet, you can choose with which app you want to open it, whether you want to open it in Safari or on the Twitter app. The next one is called Favorites Launcher, and it allows you to have your favorite contacts right here. But the cool thing is that when you tap on one of them, it will show you different options right here. So you can call them, message them, send them a message, or call them on WhatsApp, FaceTime them, or FaceTime audio. So you won't have this with the stock favorites widget. And also if you go ahead and force touch on the icon right here, you can go ahead and right away call them from here. The next one is called iJumper, and it will show you the current speed of upload and downloads of your device right here on the widgets page. So you can see right here you have the upload, and then on the right side right here you will have the download speed. So it's pretty awesome. You will have the speeds right here, so you can monitor the traffic that is incoming on your device or uploading from your device. And the last widget for this video is called Quote Widget. What it does is that it will show you different quotes anytime that you open the widgets panel. So you can see this quote right here. It will also show you the author. So if you go out of here and come back, it will load a different one. So every time you open the widgets panel, you will have a different quote right there. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and again, thank you for subscribing and helping me reach 100,000 subscribers. I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and follow me on my social media. You will find all the links in the description of the video.